I got some exciting news for those of you that wanted to invest in Edison Motors who've been asking about it. Pleased to announce that investment is now live on our website. Basically, it's time for us to take the next step. We've built Topsy, we've tested it out, we've driven it, we've hauled logs, we've hauled low bed in Alberta. We've shown it off to customers, and our customers liked it enough that they decided to buy their own trucks that we're building right here. We're building 10 trucks, but we can't keep doing that in a tent shop in my parents' backyard on a dirt floor. We've got to take the next step, which means that we got to go to market. We got to raise a little bit of money. We're going to use that money to get a proper shop, get set up, start building a few trucks, cover a little bit of engineering, hire a few more mechanics to start getting these trucks out there a little bit quicker, some overhead cranes, the things we need to grow to take the next step as a business. That's why we're raising money. But that being said, there are some caveats on who can invest. Unfortunately, it's a little bit limited. It's not because of us. I wish we could let everybody invest, but the government has rules placed on who can invest in startup businesses. So I'd like to go through it by countries. Canada and international have different rules than the United States. So for Canada and international, that investment is going through the Front Funder portal. Canada, we're allowed to do crowdfunding, so anyone is allowed to invest up till we raise $1.5 million, and then they're not allowed into crowdfunding, and I imagine that's going to fill pretty quickly here once we announce that. International, US, and Canada all have the same definition of accredited. It's people that make over $200,000 a year, have over $1 million in assets, or there's a few other things, but you'll read through it, those qualifications. If you meet that, please check the accredited, because that can go beyond the crowdfunding. Now, Canada accredited and international accredited, one of the nice things about that is that there's no verification. We don't have to ask for your income tax. We don't need a statement from your accountant or anyone else like that to attest that you're accredited. On the US side, the US is accredited only, and that goes through the Dealmaker platform. And unfortunately, in the US, they have to ask, so there's an extra step we got to go through Dealmaker where you need to submit your tax returns or a letter from your accountant or lawyer or somebody like that. You just need to submit verification that you do meet the accredited status, that your income was high enough, which is an extra step, an extra pain in the ass. I apologize for that, but those are the rules, and we do have to listen to the rules. As much as I may not agree with them personally, they are still the rules. We got to listen to what the lawyers say. We are working on a few other options. There's a few more Series A, but there's a little bit more paperwork we got to file. We're working on that. We're trying to get the next step to allow everyone to invest. But for right now, it's mainly accredited only, other than the Canadian crowdfunding. So I really hope that there are a lot of people out there that are accredited and want to support us. This is the way we are doing it. We are trying to raise as much money from our fans because we want people invested that believe in the business and what we're doing. We've had a lot of venture capital. Believe it or not, we would have had no problem raising any kind of money. If we were willing to listen to the venture capital or the larger angel investors, we could have raised all sorts of money. But I don't believe in what they believed in. We don't want to manufacture things overseas. We don't want to overpromise and then underdeliver with the sake of just trying to pump a stock price for a 3-year exit. That's not what we're about. I don't want to just have these entire trucks made overseas and assembled here. I want good quality products that are made here with our manufacturing. I want to fight for for right to repair. I want to fight against planned obsolescence. I'm tired of that you can't work or wrench on new vehicles. I don't like the quality of these new vehicles being made where, like, you shouldn't have to go back to a dealership just to have a code read. You shouldn't need special tools just to work on something. You buy something, you own it, and you should have the right to repair it. And that thing should be designed with long lasting in mind. You shouldn't have to come back every 3 to 4 years to buy a new one because it's so overloaded with bullshit that you can't fix it yourself. You can't erase codes from the computer. You don't even own the software. That's not us. But that does make it harder to raise money when we have to tell a lot of people no. A lot of venture capital, a lot of angel investors, they don't support the things we support. So we're hoping our community and our fans believe in the things that we believe that you can make a truck with right to repair in mind, believe that you cannot have planned obsolescence, and believe that you can just have an honest company building a good truck right here like they used to be built. So if you support that, I hope you help support us. and let's take this next step together. Go to our website, edisonmotors.ca. That is the only place that you can find the investment portals. So please be aware of scams, WhatsApp, any other investment. Canadian International is on Front Funder portal, and the US is on the Deal Maker portal through the Edison Motors website. So thank you guys very much, and I'm really, really excited to see how this goes. All right, guys, I want to just take a couple seconds. We're not doing an ad. I just want to thank everyone that's invested with Edison Motors. You guys know we don't have venture capital. We don't have that kind of money. We told them no. We are invested and owned by the fans like you who are watching this video. You guys supported us all the way when it was just an idea, through building Carl to building Topsy, and now as we go back into our next production run, taking this next step. So all of you that supported us, invested with us, thank you so, so much. We appreciate it more than you know.